Join SL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Mahila Congress continues their protest against fuel price hike. Prepare Bajaj and Puris on roadside in Panji. Chief Minister promises to distribute 100 crore rupees among panchayats from 300 crore rupee bonanza given by Centre for Liberation Day Diamond Jubilee celebrations. In a hard-fought match, Dempo trounced Churchill Brothers 2-0 at Dulair Stadium. And now for the news in detail. Mahila Congress prepared Bajaj, Puris and carried a mock LPG gas cylinder as they continue to attack the government on the steep rise in LPG prices. Petrol and diesel prices too are on an upward rise. Here are the details.
एक दो बीजेपी को फेंक दो एक दो बीजेपी को फेंक दो बीजेपी सरकार भिखारी
Members of the Mahila Congress led by the President Pratima Coutinho sat by the side of the road in Panji, opposite the Congress office, and using firewood they prepared puris and bhajiyas.
बीजेपी सरकार भिखारी कहाँ गए भाई कहाँ गए अच्छे दिन कहाँ गए जी सुपारी बीजेपी सरकार भिखारी चाय गरम भजिया गरम बीजेपी सरकार बेशरम 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 आज तुम्ही पहिला असतले हांगा कितलेशे तरी गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसाच्यो बायल्यो आयज आमकां हांगा सरकारान बीजेपी सरकारान जावं तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जावं तो आमचो गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत आनी तांचे बीजेपी सरकार तेणी आमकां आयज हांगा रस्त्यार बसयल्ले आसा आनी आमी हांगा हे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करपाक आमकां फोर्स केल्ले आसा कारण आयज गोंयांत सिलिंडर म्हणटा तो गॅस सिलिंडर 783 रुपीज स्टार्ट जाल्लो आसा. तुमी आयज सगळ्यांक चिंतपाची गरज आसा कित्याक सिलिंडर म्हणटात तो एक बेसिक नेसेसिटी जावन आसा. सिलिंडर म्हणटा तो लग्जरी ना, एक मनीस जोडटा पोटा खातीर आनी समज सिलिंडरूच समज तुमी इतले म्हारग केल्लो आसा जाल्यार आनी एसेन्शियल कॉमोडिटीज मनीस हाडटलो कितें. 2014 जेन्ना सिलिंडर फक्त 400 रुपया आशिल्लो तेन्ना म्हणटाली काँग्रेस का सरकार करप्ट से भरा हुआ है, करप्शन से भरा है. आनी आयज ही पळय ती सांगताली ती नाटकां करताली ती गॅस आशिल्लो 400 रुपयाक तेन्ना रडटाली कशी ती पळयात तिचोच फोटो. आनी आयज कितली मोठी जाल्या गुबगुबीत जाल्या पळय आनी कसली काय बरी हसता पळय. गॅस सिलिंडर पावला 800. मुंबय कितलो आसा 719. गोंया कितलो आसा 783 आनी दिल्ली कितलो आसा 710. फुडें आमी तुमी चिंतात बीजेपी सरकारान आयज रेट गोंयांत सिलिंडराचो 783 केला म्हणून आमी बीजेपी सरकाराचे निषेध करतात. आनी जी स्मृती इराणी आयल्या जी नाटकां करताली तिका आमी सांगूंक सोदता की आमी तुमचे सिलिंडर जो आसा तुम्ही कमी करात नाल्यार आमी करतले उजो म्हणून.
As part of their protest, they also burned a thermocol LPG cylinder filled with firecrackers. Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
Fuel prices across India rose for the 12th consecutive day, burning a hole in the common commuter's pocket, even as the global oil market remains stable. In the national capital, petrol now sells for 90.58 rupees per litre, while diesel cost 80.97 rupees per litre. Here in Goa, petrol cost 88.44 rupees per litre, while diesel cost 85.33 rupees.
The prices of fuel such as petrol and diesel have been rising steadily. The opposition is saying that the fuel rates are unreasonably high because the taxes are very high. Petrol prices in Goa: February 20th 88.44, February 19th 88.38, February 18th 87.86, February 17th 87.69, February 16th 87.28, February 15th 86.88, February 14th 86.95. Goa 365 Bureau.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Union leader of striking employees of a Verna-based pharmaceutical company has asked the management to reinstate the sacked employees. He warned that if the employees are not taken back, the strike would be escalated to affect the Mumbai unit.
While around 200 employees of Teva Pharmaceutical Company at the Verna Industrial Estate are on strike, alleging that the company is targeting the employees unnecessarily. Union leader of the Bharatiya Kamgar Seva, Raghunath Kuchik, has come down to Goa from Pune to extend his support to the striking employees.
आम्ही आमच्या ठरलेल्या SOP प्रमाणेच काम करू आणि हे त्या पद्धतीने काम करणं हे बंधनकारक असताना मुलांनी काम केलं नाही असा खोटा आरोप करून या ठिकाणी 10 कर्मचाऱ्यांना ह्या मॅनेजमेंटने या ठिकाणी निलंबित केलेला आहे. मी त्यांना या ठिकाणी आज स्पष्टपणे हा इशारा देणार आहे की अजून जर तुम्हाला याच्यातून जाग आली नसेल तर आता मात्र हे फक्त गोव्यापुरतं राहणार नाही तर तुमचं मुंबईत सुद्धा प्रशासकीय आणि मुख्य कार्यालय आहे. पर्यायाने जर वेळ आली तर मला मुंबईच्या ऑफिसमध्ये सुद्धा आंदोलन करायला लागेल. मग आता तुम्ही हे ठरवा, हे आंदोलन थांबवायचं आणि कुठल्याही क्षणी न विलंब लावता मी आता या ठिकाणी मॅनेजमेंटच्या अधिकाऱ्यांना बोलणार आहे. त्यांच्याशी माझी चर्चा झाली. त्यांनी ह्या कामगारांना बिनशर्त या ठिकाणी कामावर घेतलं पाहिजे, ही पहिली मागणी. आणि दुसरी मागणी, ज्या ठिकाणी आमचा या ठिकाणी मागण्यांचा जो रेफरन्स आलेला आहे पगारवाढीच्या, त्या रेफरन्सवरती सुद्धा चर्चा करावी आणि कामगारांना त्यांच्या सुविधा देण्याबाबत कंपनीने त्वरित पावलं उचलली तर आणि तरच हे आंदोलन मागलं घेतलं जाईल. अन्यथा या आंदोलनाचा पुढचा टप्पा आम्ही या ठिकाणी गाठणार आहोत, एवढं मी या ठिकाणी सांगू इच्छितो.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Verna.
From the 300 crore rupees that will come from the Center for the Liberation Day celebrations, 100 crore rupees will be distributed among the panchayats, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said. He said that this money has to be used by the panchayat for the betterment of the people.
The Chief Minister said that in many villages, crematoriums are divided on caste and religious lines, and this creates problems to some sections of society. He said that it was necessary to have a common crematorium in each village.
जे जनरल कॅटेगरीतल्या भुरग्यांक इकॉनॉमिकल विकर सेक्शन ह्या प्रमाणात तांकां वेगळें रिजर्वेशन 10% रिजर्वेशन हे करपाचें आमी खोस जी आसा करपाक शकले. आनी सरकारच्या वतीन SC ST OBCच्या बरोबरी जो इकॉनॉमिकली विकर आसा ताकाय खंय प्रतिनिधित्व दिवचें म्हणून तर इकॉनॉमिकली विकर सेक्शनाक रिजर्वेशन दिवपाचें काम केलें. हांव इतक्याच खातीर सांगता कारण मुळात गोंय सरकार जे आसा, म्हजें सरकार जें आसा हे सामान्यांतल्या सामान्याचो विचार करता. जावं तो मागीर आमी म्हणटा काणकोणांतल्या खोतीगांवांत आसलेलो मनीस किंवा पेडण्यांतल्या कोरगांवांत आसलेलो मनीस किंवा तो सत्तरींतल्या कोपार्द्या गांवांत आसलेलो मनीस, ताच्या पर्यंत सगळ्यो येवजण्यो पावचो हो म्हजो मूळ उद्देश आसा. आणि जाका आमी म्हणटा की 60 वर्सां मुक्तीची मनयता आसतना माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी आमकां 300 कोटी रुपया हे गोंय सरकाराक दिले खर्च करपाक आणि हे इतक्याचेरच ना तर हे गोंय सरकाराक दिले आसतना भितरले 100 कोटी रुपया आमी प्रत्येक ग्रामपंचायतीन तुमचो पर्टिक्युलर लोक उपयोगी प्रोजेक्ट आसात एखाद्या ग्रामपंचायतीन आयजूय पळयता आमी खंय तरी क्रिमिटोरियम ना ही त्या ती जातीची ही त्या धर्माची ती आनी कोणाली एखादो गांवांत रावपी मनीस जर ताका क्रिमिटोरियम फाल्यां ताका तेजो अंत्यसंस्कार करपाचो जालो जाल्यार तो म्हणटा हांगा ना मागीर म्युन्सिपाल्टीक सोदून दिवचो पडटा अशा खातीर एखाद्या गांवांत एक कॉमन एखादी क्रिमिटोरियम आसची ह्या विचारांतलो हांव आसा निदान अंत्यसंस्कार जे आसा हे तरी समाधानाक करूंक मेळचे.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Bicholi.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has said that Goa will have to keep an eye on the rising cases of COVID-19 in neighbouring Maharashtra and take appropriate measures, but ruled out another lockdown. He said we have to be practical, unlike what Maharashtra did to Goa earlier. Here are the details.
Vishwajit was speaking to reporters after attending a review meeting with the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant at Altino. Maharashtra on Thursday had reported COVID-19 cases of 5,427, with Mumbai alone reporting 734 cases.
We have been discussing with the Chief Minister, and also we have to analyze as to if this trend continues in Maharashtra, then we'll also have to become strict as far as Goa as a state is concerned, and we have to be very practical, not like what Maharashtra did to Goa. Maharashtra suddenly asked for COVID tests from everybody coming inside Goa while we never asked. So let's watch for the next 4-5 days.
Lockdown can be a possibility.
No. The lockdown is the thing of the past. The lockdown means the way the lockdown was then, when the spike was so high, was different. Now it is like localized. We are finding these things. So let us see how the way goes. So we have to act appropriately.
The health minister said that the government's efforts are on to complete 6 hospitals by August. Chief Secretary Parimal Rai, Health Secretary Ashok Kumar, PPP Cell Secretary and Secretary to the Chief Minister also attended the review meeting with the Chief Minister. The government wants to complete the 6 hospitals, namely South Goa District Hospital, Super Specialty Hospital, Kurshore Hospital, Kansalim Hospital, Shikali Hospital as soon as possible, he said.
फास्ट ट्रॅकर हांवें जे त्यांना सांगलेलें की आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो बेगीन ते करपाक वेगळे तरेचे कन्सल्टन्सी आनी हे सगळे अपॉयंट करपाचें आमचें काम चालू आहा. म्हणजे आमकां वेगळे तरेचे मॉडल जे गोंयची जनतेच्या हितान त्या तरेचे मॉडल आमी फुडें व्हरूंक शकता आनी आमचें कमिशन आमचें हॉस्पिटल योग्य तरेन आमी करूंक शकता. ऑल आर थिंग्स आर टू सी दॅट द हेल्थ केअर फॅसिलिटीज रीच आउट टू द पीपल. We are also in talks. We want super speciality to be certain facilities like gastroenterology and other things. We have got doctors here, but we get the top expertise from Bombay and other places so that they are able to help in running one floor of that particular hospital. आज आमी पळयता की स्पेशलायज्ड सर्विसीस जे आहा आनी जे कांय गोष्टी खातीर गोंयचे जनतेक भायर वयचें पडटा गोंयच्यान.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. This is the work of an ITI student from Kakoda. He has actually generated solar electricity using his own ingenuity and using all discarded materials including panels.
This has come in for commendation from the Under Fire Power Minister Nilesh Cabral. The students have even made and modified vehicles using all waste parts. Look at these visuals.
आम्ही 50 kW सोलर कनेक्टेड ग्रीड जे आमचे स्क्रॅपाक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान स्क्रॅप म्हणून सायडीन दवरलेली पॅनलां बाकीचे कडेन सगळी पॅनलां हाडून आज हे भुरग्यांनी तेजे विनोद बाबान तेजे IS इंस्ट्रक्टरान प्रिंसिपलान सगळ्यांनी एकठांय करून वी हॅव कन्वर्टेड 50 किलोवॉट into connected to the grid. So this ITI generating almost its own electricity.
माध्यमांतल्यान भुरग्यांक परत एकदा विनंती करता की तुमी शिकात आनी एक्सपोजर घेवपाचो तुमी प्रयत्न करूंक जाय. शिक्षण घेतल्यार शिक्षणा शिवाय पर्याय ना म्हणटा. तुम्ही ITI करात प्लस एडिशनल कोर्सेस डायरेक्टराक सांगला हांव घेवन बसतलो तांकां की अपस्किलिंग कशें करपाचें. आतांच हली तुमकां खरें दिसचें ना पूण एक नवे तरेचे कोर्स आमी आमचे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ जर्मनीन NSTC कडेन आमी टायअप केला, GE बरोबर टायअप केला. हेल्थ असिस्टंटाचे कोर्स आसा तरेतरेचे. एकूच हांवें उल्लेख केलो. तरेतरेचे नवे लोक सिमेन्साची कंपनी आमचे बरोबर टायअप करपाक फुडें सरल्या. म्हणजे तांकां इग्नायट म्हणून नवें हें केलां. म्हणजे तांकां तुमचो सिलेबस कसो सुदारपाचो, तुमचो सिलेबस कशें फुडें वेगळ्या तरेन भुरग्यांक कशें एक्सपोजर दिवपाचो हेजेरूच आमची चर्चा चल्ल्या. स्किलिंग कित्याक दिता? आयज स्किलिंग इतल्याच खातीर दिता की तुमी तुमच्या पायार उबे रावंक जाय, तर त्याच तरेन अपस्किलिंग कशें करप थ्रू ITI. तुम्ही ITI एकदा कंप्लीट केले, तुमकां एक वेगळे तरेचे अपस्किल केल्या, म्हणजे तुमकां वेगळ्या तरेन नोकऱ्यो गावपाक आनी एनहॅन्स सॅलरी गावपाची शक्यता आहा.
Prahar Saurdekar for Goa 365 from Kakora.
Now for some sports news. It was the Goan Derby as big rivals Dempo Sports Club clashed against Churchill Brothers FC. Dempo boys defeated Churchill Brothers 2-0 in a hard-fought tense match. The match was played at Dulai Stadium in Mapsa on Saturday. Here's more.
Puts in a nice ball and that is a header and goal of Vaigankar.
The Golden Eagles took the lead within 6 minutes of the kickoff. Richard Cardoz of Dempo SC shot the ball from 35 yards directly into Churchill's goal, leaving the goalkeeper and the defense stunned. Churchill Brothers tried to create chances but failed to convert them. Just a few minutes before the whistle, Gaurav Vaigankar scored a header in the 40th minute. Both the teams made use of all three substitutes in the second half of the match. Watch out for the clash on Sunday between Garden Angels and Vasco SC, live only on Goa 365 from 3:40 onwards.
Richard Cardoz with an early shot. Oh my lord! What a goal that is from Richard Cardoz! That is absolutely sensational from Richard Cardoz. Just 5 minutes into the game. My word, that is surely a contention for the goal of the tournament. Long way to go, but look at this from Richard Cardoz. Was just mentioning how impressive he has been in the Selwell Goa Professional League. After losing the ball there, Danston Fernandez stealing it off. That is almost 40 yards out.
So finally Golden Eagles are flying away with 3 points and on a winning note. How do you feel?
I feel good. Always the coach says that we need to win this match, to stay for the title, and I guess it was a good performance by our boys. As you can see in the second half, we had not a better ball possession, but yeah, we played for the win.
You said you played for the win, but the goals that were scored were very much scored only in the first half. What went wrong in the second half out there?
I don't know. I can't say anything. We had that winning mentality. I guess we were under pressure, and we just played long balls, and I guess that went wrong for us in the second half.
Alright, we also saw that you were also trying hard even to score, make an assist over there. So how would you rate your performance for this match over here?
The plan is always to score a goal. Yeah, but hard luck. I will try to score, but yeah, team matters. A great win. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Well, that's all we have from the Dempo side. I also have with me the coach of Churchill Brothers out there, who made whose boys gave a good fight out there. We saw the Red Machines trying very hard to score out there. We saw that in the first half, even after Dempo scoring, Churchill Brothers dominated the first half, also in the second half. But what went wrong? Because they couldn't score into the Dempo's net out there.
At the end of the day, the goals are counted. No doubt, Dempo played a good game in the first half. After conceding a goal also, we tried our best. Unluckily, our defense some errors, and I feel...
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 from Duler.
Now for the weather. Light rain and thunder showers occurred at many places all over the state. There was no large change in minimum temperature over North and South Goa districts. The lowest minimum temperature of 20.8 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panchi. Light to moderate rain or thunder showers very likely at isolated places on 20th and 21st February.
Thunder shower accompanied by lightning is very likely at isolated places on 20th of February. No weather warning for the next 4 days starting from 21st of Feb. Thunderstorms accompanied by lightning are very likely. Highlights: rise in minimum temperatures by 1 to 2 degrees during 2 days and no large change thereafter. Weather is very likely to be dry over the districts of 22nd, 23rd and 24th Feb. Light to moderate rain, thunder showers very likely at isolated places on 20th and 21st of February. In the next 24 hours, partly cloudy sky. Maximum minimum temperature very likely to be around 33 and 22 degrees respectively.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV. or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.